Certain classmates of a police officer shot dead in Mandaluyong City last April 16 are being linked to the crime. The allegation was made by the slain officer's wife, who was wounded in the incident. Alvin Baltazar reports.
Diba? Kaya nakikiusap lang ako. Sana tama na. Kasi kaming dalawa na lang no anak ko eh. Wala na magtatanggol sa amin. Pag naman sana kaming idamay. Wala naman kaming alam mag-ina. Kaya nakikiusap ko. Tama.
Wife of Chief Inspector Elmer Santiago, who was gunned down last April 16 in Mandaluyong City, is still in trauma. Those dragged in the killing against the former intelligence officer of Bataan PNP, Santiago's own classmates at the PNPA, now being accused to be involved in illegal drug operations in Bataan. According to Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, it was in February when Santiago expressed his intentions to reveal what he knows about a drug syndicate being run by the alleged junior and senior officers of the Philippine National Police.
February 13, meron kaming tawag, may text siya na sinasabi nga niya na merong importante na involving national security. Kako, bakit national security to? It's dahil ito ay involving mga officers ng pambansang police na naghumahawak ng mga key positions sa Region 3 and RPO.
May access siya, kaklase din yung mga sinasabi niyang involved eh.
Santiago's wife further disclosed that after they got shot, she saw one PNPA classmate of the slain cop at the site whom she sought help, but
nung marami na ako nakitang tao, nakita ko si Colonel Manalo. Nakita ko siya, humihingi ako ng tulong sa kanya. Nakita ko na tinignan niya yung asawa ko. Tinignan niya lang ng ganyan, tapos gumanon siya. Tapos sabi ko, kasi Ging ang tawag ko sa kanya, Ging, tulungan mo ko. Sabi ko gano'n, Ging, tulungan mo ko. Naglakad lang siya ng gano'n, tapos may pag sinundan ko siya, tapos may nakita ko siya, may sinisenyasan siya.
Major Santiago's mother expressed appeal to the PNP Chief General Alan Purisima to take a look into her son's case.
Maapila po ako kay Presidente, kay Chief Purisima, na sana po may kahitnan itong pinaglalaban ng anak ko. Binuwis niya buhay niya. Masakit sa isang magulang na makita yung anak namin. Sana po tulungan niyo kami na sana miski patay ang anak ko, may kahihitnan yung pinaglalaban niya.
Ito pong nasa listahan to, isa lang po ito sa cell na de-develop ng mga drug syndicate sa hanay ng law enforcement agencies.
It was in September last year when Santiago reportedly gave the diagram to one of his classmates assigned at Camp Crabe, who may handed it over to the suspected involved officials in the operation of illegal drugs. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.